Alright, let's go over how to draw Mario mixed with Chainsaw Man, alright? So we're going to start with Mario's head, and then we're going to move into kind of the more chainsaw-y part of him. So let's get started. It's going to be easy and for beginners, so follow me all the way through, okay? So I'm going to start over here at the back of Mario's head, and I'm going to go over here, curve, right there from back of Mario's hat. Going to go over here, down. Over here on this side, I'm going to go about kind of a little bit back halfway. I'm going to go over here and draw like a C curve right there for the ear. Down over here for the hair. It's almost like a U shape. And I'm going to draw the hat across. So line over here. It's going to go behind the ear. Right? So we're going to have a space. Line up. Pulling up over here. Going to go on this side. Curve up. Over here on this side. Out. Down. Over here on this, I'm going to find the front of Mario's face right here. Downward. Don't forget, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification for anything you need. When you do that, you're going to basically subscribe to the channel. And I post a drawing every single day, so don't miss out, alright? It's going to be on different topics. Please definitely do that if you want to help the channel out, if you want to help yourself out. Curve, like a C curve for the nose. Gonna go pull back for the mustache. Curve, curve, curve right here underneath. Fill it in. Over here under lip. Line underneath. Go over here. Curve line underneath there for the back of the jaw. We're missing the back of his hair on this side, so I'm going to pull a line straight down. Curve back. Curve over here. Now I'm going to go to the front area right here of his eye. Line down, curve up. Gonna draw the eyebrow through the hat. I just think it's like, you might as well have it in there, to be honest. Line. Line right here for the dark of the eye. Line down here. Curve over here for the suspender. Down. Up. Line up over here. Curve. Line. I'm gonna pull back over here for the hat, and now I'm gonna actually draw the chainsaw part coming out. Straight out. I'm gonna draw over here, maybe about the mouth area. Line over there for Chainsaw Man part. Curve. Gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna draw a straight line over here, just like a mirror shape of that kind of, but smaller. Line, 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 down. Gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna actually, on that I want to put the actual, oh wait, one thing. I'm gonna go over here and draw the M on the front. Curve right there for kind of the insignia on the hat. You can draw like part of the M. Over here in the ear, gonna draw another curve on the inside, curve right there. Over here now, spike, 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 spike. So you have the actual chains, the spikes, and then there's gonna be little spike right here in between, kind of angled forward a little bit, or at least in one direction. Right, these are going back there, just kind of in between that. You want to make the chainsaw look kind of used. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a couple of little thin scratches. I want to hold back a little bit. Don't forget, hit the like button if you like these combination videos. I'm going to put a lot more. Also, give me ideas for what characters to combine, okay? Maybe I can put a line over here as well, so it's coming underneath that hat. Line over here, line over here. Line over here. Line, line, line. Line over here. Now what I want to do is I want to draw a thick line around the outside of him to kind of like, I don't know, it makes it look more like a sticker. So for example, see a thicker line right there. Don't forget, if you like coloring, like for example, right now we're making our own coloring book. If you like coloring books, go check out the coloring books that I have on Amazon. They are really, really fun to do that. I'm going to put a link in the description. They're literally on Amazon. Go check them out. A lot of cool topics. Alright, going over here. Right on. Cool. Just again, just a thicker line around the outside so to really merge that stuff together. And you want to make it look a little bit like, well, first let's draw a little line right there. You can draw a little bit more like it's moving, so you can draw a line right here like this. See, draw these two thin lines on that side, and maybe draw two more on this side to make it look like the chainsaw is actually moving. And if you really want to draw little dots of stuff coming off it, right? Like dots, maybe even a little like, yeah. But let that to kind of, you know, settle in there and just kind of make it, you know, see how everything kind of looks a little bit more unified. I want to thank you very much. Don't forget to check out those coloring books in the description. If you like coloring, I have 5 right now. I'm going to put way, way, way more on Amazon, but thank you. You guys are amazing, and I will see you in the very next video. Please don't hesitate to reach out. Say hi to me and say what's up, okay? If you say hi, I'm going to reply to every single one of you guys. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Don't forget, every stroke you put down, you know, it's that one step closer to becoming a master artist, okay? See you later.